that would sound serious to me because I didn't get to see him, and I haven't got to see him, and I will never see him again, and I'm angry, and I always be forever angry about that. I don't know what could be done, but that's just I want to grow, maybe growing and getting more opportunities in this world to show my brother, that I can do it, that it doesn't help me, that it ease my pain. I don't want to be angry. I just am. I just am, and I don't know. I just want to grow. I want to grow, and I want to do this for my people.